What if you could create real-time freedom without working long hours or building complicated funnels? That's exactly what AI Scale Stack helps you do. Instead of spending your days writing endless emails or stressing about tech, this system uses custom AI bots to handle it for you. It writes your emails, grows your list, and even turns subscribers into income automatically. All you need is your inbox. You can manage everything in less than 30 minutes a day, while still building a business that works around the clock. That means more time for your family, your passions, or simply living life on your own terms. And the best part, it comes with a money back guarantee, so there's zero risk in giving it a try. If you're ready to create a real-time freedom with a business powered by AI, sign up today using my link in the description and get started right away.